Professor Lomax here. We're talking about metal flashing for vents. I already did these vents here, but for time's sake, I went ahead and pre-flashed. I worked on with the fortress seal. I pre-cut this fortress seal. Here's a trick, what you want to do. When you have a roof that's totally covered like this, you want to cut it out long ways and long ways, and then roll it up like so, and have a little bit cut down on the very bottom here. You really want to use fortress seal or some sort of mastic and stuff like that to seal it on the bottom here. Let me see if I could do this here by myself. A little bit tough when you're doing it, but you can see this mastic here. It's fantastic for making sure there's not going to be any leaks. Let me just get this on here and it should be okay. It's really a little bit tricky by myself and around this pipe. I think I could do it. There we go. Got it pretty good. Check this out. You can see how it's gonna seal nice. I know for time purposes for this video that I might have to do it in 2 parts just to save time, but we'll see. It's just a little bit tricky on the first one. Gotta get that plastic down there. Okay, there we go. Now we can roll that out. Roll that around. Stretch that around the corner. There we go. It's a little bit hard when you're doing it by yourself, but I think I got it now. There we go. Now I got it. Check it out. Nice. It's a nice seal right there. Okay. Now we come up with the other part. Finish it up right here. Remember, you always start from the bottom and you work your way up to the top so that water always goes over the pieces and never under it. And of course, this one's being a little stubborn here. Fortress seal. Okay. Come up here, put that on. And thank God we're working in low wind right now. Look at that. Look what a beautiful job that is. Look at that, sealed up nice. Check that out. And then I got these little guys here that I'll go ahead and throw up on here, because I cut that a little bit high. Kind of cool. No problem. Right here, we just stick that right there and boom. Look at that. The water will come down. Check that out. It flaps right over just like that. I'll put this other little one on there. I'll keep this video going until I finish up. Hope it won't bore you too much. And then boom, we got that right there. Nice and sealed. Now we take the flashing and we put it on like so. Look at that. Okay. All right.